Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Today I am here to do a Mask Monday with you guys. The mask I'm going to be using is a Hydrating Water Sheet Mask by e.l.f. I did get this at the Dollar Tree. I have not ever tried an e.l.f. face mask before, so I'm really excited to give this a try. And it says that this is enriched with hyaluronic acid and aloe to moisturize and nourish the skin. So let's go ahead and get this on. And while I'm putting it on, let me smell my mask first because you know I have to. It just smells clean. And then while we have this on, we're going to go ahead and open up the November GlitzGlam bag, and then I have my very first Pinch Me box. I've never gotten one before. I've seen some other YouTubers do it, so I thought I would take a peek at that with ya. So let's go ahead and get this on so we can get started on that. It's a really gel-like textured face mask. I almost feel like I'm gonna rip it. Very slimy. I'm not opposed to slimy though. Lots of extra essence, that is for sure. Okay, cool. All right, let's go ahead and start with the Pinch Me. Here's what it looks like. I don't even remember what I got. I know they sent me a questionnaire about stuff that I would be interested in trying, but okay, Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops. You won't believe your eyes. Cool. I definitely need that. I have allergies in my eyes. Sometimes, I mean, they burn so bad it's not even funny. Here's the box for that. Works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours, and it's a single-use file. So, one time my eyes might not burn. Little individual package, so we'll give that a try someday. We'll see what we think. Next, we've got some Delectables Savory Broths, lickable treats for cats. This will go straight to Ava for her kittens. Lickable treat with tuna, shrimp, and whitefish. Doesn't that sound yummy? Advanced blister care by Compede Medium. It's instant pain relief for blisters. That'll be neat. I wonder if I can open it so we can take a peek at it. Okay. All right, yeah, that'll cover the whole heel. That's awesome. I've got a lot of runners in my family, so I have a feeling these might come in handy. Probably pass those along. Got all kinds of stuff for the kids. What do I get? There we go. Revlon So Fierce Big Bad Lash Mascara. Oh, yay. It says Instant Baddest Bold Volume plus Lash Tint Effect over time. What's Lash Tint Effect? Oh, gee, I think this is a full size, too. Look at that. Cool beans. I needed some more mascara. Let me put on my glasses and read about this one because, you know, the print has to be tiny. So it says, ultra creamy formula for your baddest volume, all day and all night lash tint technology, darkens bare lashes in as little as 7 days with daily use. Oh, so it's like a treatment thing. It volumizes and tints your lashes for you. Very cool. And now let's go ahead and get into the November 2021 GlitzGlam bag. I love this bag. Their products are so fun and they really push me out of my comfort zone a lot. It is a $15 bag. I think maybe $2.99 for shipping and handling. I'll post all the information down in the description if you want to check it out. Every month you get one set of eyelashes, which you guys know if you've been watching me, I've been kind of playing around a little bit with. I'm not good at it, but playing around with it. And then you also get one glitter product. So that's their guarantee every month. And then everything else that they send is so cool. So cool. Can't wait to see what we got. Looks like we did get a card this month. I love that they do this. They always tell us the prices. And it says, GlitzGlam Box. Give a little glam this holiday season. Shop our specialty boxes perfect for gifts. And then we are enjoying the year with we are ending the year with a bang, and you don't want to miss the December box. So guys, sounds like this might be the perfect time to check them out. It's only $15. On the other side of the card, it says GlitzGlam Box Bougie Queen. All right, and here is the package. GlitzGlam Box. We don't do basic. And they don't. They don't. That's how they always push me out of my comfort zone, and I love it. Ooh, the package for these lashes is so pretty. It's GlitzGlam Box Never Basic Lashes. There's the box. And it's called Bad Girl. I'm a bad girl. It's not a real song, but I made it up, so it is now. I sang it on social media. It's a real song. Look at those. They're so wispy and pretty. Oh, those are gorgeous. All right, let's read about them. So, for the lashes, GlitzGlam Box, Foam Ink Lashes, Bougie Lash, reusable up to 20 times, and they have a $12 value. Telling you, if they're saying they're going out with a bang this year, they are going to have something awesome. They have never disappointed me. Now would be the perfect time for you guys to get on board with them. I'm serious. Serious. All right. Oh, here's our glitter product. That's the packaging that it comes in. Their glitter products are by Hot Kitty Beauty. I will link that website down below so you guys can go check it out. I've never used loose glitter before for makeup, but every time I get one of these, I'm getting more and more intrigued. So we will see. But look at that. See if I can put it up there. Isn't that gorgeous? This would be really cool for New Year's Eve or something like that. The bright blue glitter. Oh, gorgeous. So I'm going to have to start watching some YouTube videos about the glitter because these are awesome. Let's read about that. And it says, Glitz Glitter, Hot Kitty Beauty, $6 value, cosmetic glitter. You can use it on the eyes, lips, nails, and skin safely. Sweet. All right, next we've got some 24 karat gold lip balm. That's cool. I love the rose gold. And look, it's got glitter in it. And it is sealed, so I'm not going to open it. Well, I already broke the seal, so I'm going to open it. Chaos Jenn needs to slow down. I already have lip gloss that I'm using. But I sure did just like tear right into this one like it was nothing. Don't hate, guys. Don't hate. Oh, weird. It's got a light, sweet smell, but look at that applicator. Like, I wouldn't say that it's soft. Yeah, it's not soft at all. It's like a hard bristle there. Or a hard end there. Not a brush at all. Very thick. Can you see it? Probably not. Honestly, you can never have too many lip glosses, so I'll just take it to work and put it on my desk or something. So, it is by Nick in New York, and it has a $10 value, and the glitter that we saw in it is 24 karat gold flakes. So that's the 24 karat gold lip gloss. It says, are you team rose gold or yellow gold? Guys, I'm a sucker for rose gold. What do you guys prefer? Let me know down in the comments. We'll battle it out. Sorry, just kidding. Sorry. A little passionate. And then the last thing that we have is by Clean Color. And it is a Bijou eyeshadow palette. Look at this. It's like stones. Can you guys see the texture on that? That is gorgeous. And it's really heavy too. There's the colors. Let's go ahead and open this and see what we have. I've never really had a palette that's decorated as much as this. The whole we don't do basic thing. It's true. There we go. Can you see that? Look. That is awesome. And it's really, really pretty. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm already just excited enough about the box. We don't need the colors, right? Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, I like the purple. Okay, sorry. I will share. It does have a mirror. Trying to cover it up, but I'm not doing a very good job. Look at those colors, guys. That one right there, that blue, I am already obsessed with. What do you think? Got glitters, shimmers, and mattes in there. I love them. If I could figure out a makeup look with that blue glitter that we got, I bet you anything it'll be an eyeshadow look from this palette. This is gorgeous. Very, very pretty. Let's go ahead and read about this one. This is the Gemstone Palette. It is by Clean Color. It has a $10 value. Gemstone Fantasy Palette, 12 shades to glitz up your lids. Yes, it is. So let's go through everything that we got. This month we've got these beautiful GlitzGlam Box faux eyelashes, reusable up to 20 times, and they had a $12 value. Then we've got this really, really pretty blue glitter. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. And this had a $6 value. Then we've got the 24 karat gold flake infused lip gloss, which had a $10 value. And last but not least, we've got this clean color eyeshadow palette. Absolutely gorgeous colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this had a $10 value. So guys, seriously, Bougie Queen got a lot of bang for her buck on this one. Fantastic box. If you guys decide to get it, let me know and we can open our December boxes together. We can go out with a bang. I can't wait to see what their bang is. Oh, I'm sure there's some hidden meaning behind that one. Awesome, awesome. All right, where are we at, guys? Okay, looks like we are right at, well, we're actually just about 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and take off our mask. Woo. Go ahead and pat that in. Make sure we get the chin and the neck really good, like always. Okay. All right, that feels wonderful. It's so thick. Like, I feel like I'm putting like moisturizing lotion on my face. That feels fantastic. I love it. All right, guys. Well, that is it. I hope you enjoyed our November 2021 GlitzGlam box and also my very first Pinch Me. I'll let you know what the cats think of their treats. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote our videos so that we can continue to grow our YouTube family, and it gets us one subscriber closer to that 900 subscriber giveaway. Guys, we are getting really, really close. So if you're not already a member of my YouTube family, if you would consider hitting that button down in the corner, I would truly appreciate it. And it would also give us a wonderful opportunity to get to know each other better. All right, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for joining me for this Mask Monday. I hope you all have a fantastic week. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye.